welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. I am so excited. I have a haul from the time that I went to Hobby Lobby when I just went. So anyway, if you want to see that shop with me rather, to Hobby Lobby, I did post that to YouTube, so I will link it up above on the right hand corner of your screen and in the description box below if you're interested in seeing me walk around Hobby Lobby. But for now, and go ahead and do that after you watch this video, but for now let's get into this haul on what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Alright, so let me just kind of push everything to the side and we'll get into it. So, Hobby Lobby had some new Paper Studio sticker books. I got these two little sticker books. This one's called Faith, and I'll just do a very quick flip through for you. It's really stunning, and it was half off at my Hobby Lobby, so that's half off of $4.99, not bad at all. And then this one is called Foil, it's floral. Same price, same deal, also gorgeous. So I got this one. I'd never seen those before, and they had some other ones, but I tried to restrain myself and not buy them all, and I guess I succeeded because I only bought two. But anyway, I also got this one called Foil Floral, so I guess it's the larger version of that other one that I just showed you. This is $6.99, but it was half off because it's the Paper Studio. And this one is just stunning. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to use this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so I got those. I picked up some, the company's called Woodpile. It's obviously from Hobby Lobby. You get 8 ovals, and I'm hoping to do a DIY with that. They were not on sale, but you know, I did pick it up. I got this, the Paper Studio stencil material. It's so you can make a stencil with your Cricut machine, or I'm sure it works with other die cutting machines as well, but I have a Cricut, so that's the one I semi-know about. I'm still learning, but anyway, because it's Paper Studio, this was half off, so I picked up this stencil material for half off. For an upcoming DIY, I picked up 2 of these knobs, and actually I believe these were also half off, so they were half of $3.99, I think. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure. I found some really cool stuff that was on clearance. This Life is a Party sticker book by Me My Big Ideas Happy Planner was reduced to $4.99. Oh my goodness, it was not in the clearance section, so that was even more of a shock. But if you watch my shop with me, you will see that. But anyway, I have been wanting this one, but I didn't want to pay full price, so there you go. It happened. I didn't have to pay full price. Here's a quick flip through of this. It's gorgeous. And it's just stunning. Uh-oh. Oh, that page is a little dirty or something. Oh well. It was on sale. So gorgeous. Very bright and colorful, and I love it, especially for that price. In the clearance section, I found these adorable stickers for 74 cents. They are from the Paper Studio, and I guess technically they are for school. Obviously it says school time and ABC, but I loved the sticker that's like a tape dispenser, a ruler, you got books, you got different things that could considered planner items or like crafting items. There's glue and there's paint, so I picked it up for that reason. I thought it was super cute. I found this, it's craft embellishments. It's this cross that was 74 cents in the clearance section, and I thought it was really cool, and I probably will use that in a DIY, so I picked that up. I also found this sticker book. It was not in the clearance section, but it too, like the other one I believe, was $4.99. This is bookish. It's another one that I really wanted, but I didn't want to pay full price for it. So it worked out. I didn't have to pay full price for it. But it is really cute. It has some really cute glasses in it and some adorable cats on like a chair. Just really cute. Make life cozy with the little dog. Adorable. Envelopes. The houses are cute. The plants are really cute. Stunning. I love the animals. And the tea. Oh, it's so pretty. And books. Just really cute, especially for the price. And then sort of the last, no, not the last thing. I'm sorry. So I got this, the Happy Planner Girl, and they are snap-in tabs. I'm not entirely sure how to use them, but I kind of heard on YouTube that they no longer make them. So for $1.49, I thought I would see if I like them. So I picked those up. I got some Floral that was on sale. I can't remember what the percentage was, but I picked some Floral up. I just thought this floral accent was really pretty, and I'm wanting to do some more DIYs, and I liked the fact that it's very neutral, and Hobby Lobby's Floral is very realistic looking, I think. It's very well done. So I got that. I got a couple of these, I believe this is like is it called Boxwood? Something like that. But I just thought it's very realistic looking, like I said, and it was on sale. So I picked up 2 of these, and they have a really long stem on them. And then I got this one, I believe it's like lavender or something like it. And so I got that for on sale. Really pretty. And then the other thing I got, it's kind of hard to show you because everything is on top of it, but I got this poster board. I'll just do that so you can see. This right here is poster board, just because, I mean, I've seen so many YouTubers that have gotten this particular poster board for doing like hauls and stuff, because it just is so gosh darn cute. So I finally picked it up. I don't believe it was that much money. It was $2.99, so yeah, not bad at all. So we've reached the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun getting all this stuff, obviously. If you'd like, I'd love for you to watch the shop with me at Hobby Lobby, and I will link it in the description box below if you're interested. If you enjoyed this haul, feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see even more videos like this from me, and DIYs and plan with me's and all kinds of stuff, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified the very next time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Until next time, bye-bye!